Let's start by drawing this fun superhero dog. He's got a bright red suit and a shiny yellow cape, ready for action. Can you see his big smile? He's so excited to save the day. Now, let's grab some colors. Use red for the suit and yellow for his cape. Don't forget to color his boots in light blue and his face with some brown for his fur. This little hero is going to look amazing. All done! Look at our superhero dog, all ready to jump into his next adventure. Great job coloring him in! Now let's draw this cute raccoon. He's having so much fun, rolling and waving at us. His big eyes and fluffy tail make him look so friendly. Are you ready to color him in? Let's use some gray for his body and black for his paws and eyes. His tail is going to be fun to color. Let's make it look extra cool with gray and black stripes. And don't forget his adorable pink ears. Look at our raccoon. He's all colored in and looks super playful now. You did a fantastic job coloring him.